Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. Alexis Christoforous.
Let's start with Jack Dorsey's company. It's called Block. So this is the company that adds in Cash App and Square, the digital payments companies. This stock is on fire this morning. It is up 19%, ticker symbol XYZ. So here's the news. Block is going to slash its workforce in half. It is cutting about 4,000 jobs. It's a move the company describes as a bet on artificial intelligence changing the future of the job market. We know that Block has invested very heavily here in AI tools. It's even got its own tool. It's called Goose. I haven't used it, but they believe many companies will ultimately have to make similar moves like cutting jobs due to AI. But you know what? Some analysts are now questioning whether companies are genuinely being transformed by artificial intelligence, or are they simply using it as a rationale for cost cutting?
Well, you do that 10%, 5%, 20%, not 50%. This goes to
That's
what
huge.
I've thought just personally all along, that, again, AI is going to be a significant net destroyer of jobs, and not going to be this, oh, don't worry, they'll find different things to do. I'm not buying that for a minute.
Yeah, and this is one of our guests said weeks and weeks ago, they're getting out in front. You know, it's horse and cart. And the horse right now seems to be corporations saying, let's go, let's go, let's go, even before the implementation.
Yep.
What do you got next?
I've got Flutter. It is not fluttering upward, though. It is down 11%. So this is the company that owns FanDuel. Out with fourth quarter results falling short of estimates. It says it's due to slower new customer signups and moderating growth in wagering. It also came out with an annual outlook that underwhelmed investors. Look, at the end of the day, the NFL season was a disappointment for gamblers. You had big wins for sports books early in the season. That may have given customers, they said, less money to spend later on. And then in the second half of the season, fewer favorite teams made the playoffs, which I think is a real thing, right? You had less people wanting to wager.
X number of years into this experiment, are we learning as a society that this is a good way to hand over money to somebody else?
Gambling,
Brian Eggers, we have at Bloomberg Intelligence an expert on this.
Yeah.
And we got to get Brian on here, like year 2, year 3, year 4 into this. Do we have a collective memory we're not going to make money with FanDuel?
I don't know. I just think more about the societal issues here. More and more people are gambling, and I don't think that's and doing the sports betting because it's so easy.
But here's the thing: they're changing how they're gambling, because Flutter stock is down 43%. This year, just year to date,
right?
It's because investors are worried about the impact of the prediction markets like Kalshi and Polymarket. But meantime, Flutter CEO said today there is, quote, no meaningful impact on his business from those companies. But I don't know if Wall Street's buying it.
Kalshi, what the Red Sox are going to do next.
Duolingo. I use this app sometimes.
Yeah, people say it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's got the little green owl mascot, kind of cute. Yep. But the shares are tumbling 25% here. It's a language learning software company, gave a full year outlook that's below expectations. The stock has dropped 33% this year. And what are investors worried about? AI disrupting this company. Okay. So the company did say, though, that it's going to step up its investment in AI, and they're going to sacrifice some degree of monetization in order to accelerate user growth and engagement. They want to double the current number of daily active users to 100 million by 2028. So lofty goals for the little green owl mascot at Duolingo.
I think if you want to learn a language, you just got to parachute yourself into some tiny town in the middle of whatever country you want to do it.
Best way to learn it, speak it, immerse yourself in it, which is hard to do, I know.
Yep.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.